Hey everyone, here's a video of my adventure in Evanston, Illinois and Northwestern University. I hope you enjoy. All right, welcome back, YouTube. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Today I'm gonna be driving in Evanston, Illinois, a northern suburb that borders Chicago, Cradles, Lake Michigan, and I'm gonna be doing a bike ride and go north to the adjacent northern suburbs of Winnetka, Wilmette, Glencoe, Lake Forest, some of the wealthiest neighborhoods, well, wealthiest suburbs in Chicago. So it should be some beautiful areas and landmarks that I can stop at, and well, you can get a little bit of view of what's behind me here, Lakeshore Drive, and I'm gonna explore. So stay tuned, should be nice. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. All right, so in Evanston, Illinois, northern suburb of Chicago, we're gonna head north of here and go up to some other suburbs, Wilmette, Winnetka, Glencoe, Lake Forest, Kenilworth. So there's some of the most wealthiest neighborhoods in the Chicagoland area. A lot of sports guys live up there, Cubs players, Bears, Bulls, and a lot of business owners, but it's pretty cool. Evanston's really nice in the fact that it has a young population, young urban professionals, and a lot of Northwestern Wildcat alumni and current students. And you get the beautiful view of the lake, and you might even be able to see a little bit of the skyline from here as I come around the bend, but stay tuned. There's going to be some unique points of interest on this trek, so I'll touch back in. Trekking through Evanston here. Beautiful areas, a lot of families out here. But we're on Lake Michigan, so it's very nice. The sunset, it's beautiful out this way. It's getting a little late, so I missed it here, but see the remnants of it out there. Coming up, there's some houses here up on the beach actually, so we'll take a look at those. Evanston, some beautiful homes up this way, and this is sort of a kind of small gated community up here, but quite nice. It's right on the lake. So as you come back up here, the lake right here, and these guys got it good because they're literally their backyards at the lake. So getting close, up near Northwestern, a couple blocks away from Northwestern University. So stay tuned. So the cool thing about riding in Evanston is you get to come past all these different parks. So there's kind of different parks all along the lake. And you get the old historic homes of Evanston kind of right across the street. And it's just very quaint. So let's see what else we find. All right, so coming up to Northwestern University. And in the background there's several of their academic departments at the university. So let's see what we see. Alright, so hit a lagoon. It's the Harrington Lagoon here. So moving on. A very nice view coming around this bend. Love my Morgan. It's my baby. Okay. Little boatyard here. So that's the sailing center. And there was like a very beautiful, it's like a gust of warm air that came through here. Oh, you can see the skyline from here.
Really scared.
Oh, there's the skyline. And oh, Morgan. Alright guys, it's getting a little dark here. So I'm gonna go kind of out over here to the edge by the water. I may be turning back soon before it gets too dark. So this is pretty much, well, there's a lot more to see, but it's just getting late. But probably continue on to another day and exploring. But this has been pretty much an exploration of Evanston and Northwestern's campus and different bike paths and parks. So hope you guys enjoyed, and if I can find something else, I'll let you know. So coming around that bend, I was able to pretty much get the whole spread of kind of Northwestern's campus here. So there's a little lagoon here. I'm gonna try to come around this curve and go back around to the edge of the lake. Alright, so there seems to be a game going on. Not exactly sure what kind of game, but we will soon find. Okay. Alright. Looks like it's soccer. It's a soccer game. Pretty cool. Could catch a Northwestern soccer game right off the lake in the trail. Oh, able to catch a soccer game at Northwestern on the trail. So, it's an interesting little roundabout. Kind of cool, but unfortunately looks like it ends. All right, gonna wind down the bike ride here in Evanston. So I ended up over by some of the shops down here by Sherman, and gonna head back or grab some coffee or something. So I'm gonna sign off from here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this trip here in Evanston near Northwestern University, and I will see you next time. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. I